In today's experiment, we'll be investigating more about a substance called water. What exactly is water? What's so special about it? I mean, we use it to bath, we see it in rivers and dams, and sometimes we see it falling from the sky in a process called rain, or also known as precipitation. So to find out more about this substance called water, stay tuned for more. So, in today's experiment, we're gonna need a glass of water, a penny or a coin, plastic pipette, and pre-mixed soap. So let's dive into the experiment procedure. How many drops can you make with the water compared to those you can make with the soap mixture? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. The coin could only handle 29 drops before it could spill. So now let's move on to our next mixture, the pre-mixed soap mixture. Okay, let's begin counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, we could only handle 19 drops. Now let's move on to our next water property, surface tension. So we need a beaker of water, an empty beaker, preferably one that is more widely open so that you can see exactly what's happening. You need foil, or at home maybe if you have a paper clip, that could also help, a plastic pipette, and pre-mixed soap. So let's get into the video. Now let's get into the experiment. I'm gonna carefully pour the water into the empty beaker. Now I'm gonna take the foil piece and put it into the small beaker with water. Yes. Now I'm gonna put the soap droplets into the beaker until the foil sinks. In a way, I'm trying to change the water properties by adding the soap. So we're gonna do this until the foil sinks. Okay, I'm adding more soap mixture until it sinks. It's carefully sinking. Let's quickly observe. Now the foil is sunk.